We take a short domestic flight from Port Moresby to Lake, where we catch up with the Nuigini Dirt Boys. Our lovely air hostess gives us safety lessons in pidgin English. We fly over Lake Wanum, one of the places where we're guaranteed to do some good riding. As we arrive in Lake, it starts raining.
Helmet on. How you going, Ed? Popping the PNG, boys.
Early the next morning we load the Toyota with the KTMs and head through the jungle to the start of the track that leads us through to Lake Wanum and the amazing grassy hills.
Where do you actually go? Yeah. Just follow the track. Better get a machine.
We pop out of the jungle and are greeted with these grassy monsters. What an amazing place, Lake Wanum. Can anyone really get to the absolute top of this grassy monster? The next morning finds us heading out of the compound in Lay and out and into the jungle. See what the jungle has for us today. Looks like Martin stopped to give his bike a wash. The young guys put on a bit of a show for the locals and they really appreciate it. As we continued down the track, a huge tree had fallen across and it took us a while to cut enough track through that we could get our bikes through. It was hard going.
Kim's drowned his bike. We've got no tools. We've got a little bit of an audience. Down, including the main organs, because I'm running about 400 degrees at the moment, and I don't care if there's typhoid at all, because I'm alive for the next couple of hours.
So who would have ever thought we'd be bathing in the Limpopo River?
I don't know about you, Ed, I've got no energy left, but we haven't found the track yet.
Would have been easier to do.
I think it would have
Carrying you on my back.
I'm more popular here than I am back home.
A lot more.
This is Cal, 6'6" and 16 years old.
We went down to the local port to see if we could hire some banana boats to get across to the other side of the Markham River. The local mechanic was working on one of the gearboxes, putting some new bearings in, with pretty basic tools. We crossed the muddy river. Some of the locals came out to see what's going on. Apparently no motorcycles have ever ridden the beach from. Kim checked the water for crocodiles. Martin decided to practice his diving techniques and dived into the beautiful tropical waters. This is one of the guns that was left behind during the war, and the jungles has sort of taken it over.
Jet skiing expedition earlier today. Lunch consists of a dozen odd crayfish. We're going to have some trevally as well, and then we're all going to go down the road to the local village, and we're going to ride around and give them a show because they don't get to go and see motorbikes very often. So we're going to do that to keep the harmony with the community.
And we found some bullets just digging around. There's a lot of history around this area. It's just absolutely spectacular.
Better than Coke, mate.
After lunch we all headed down to the local village to meet the chief before we headed back home to Lake.